Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides two-factor authentication for Drupal, and as we know that is the best solution available in the market. So we are going to configure YubiKey Hardware Token with Drupal. You can download the module from the link below. You will find the download link in the description as well. You can check installation steps on the download page of the module. Install the module. For instance, we install the module using Composer. Module is successfully installed. Let's enable it. Go to Admin Dashboard of your Drupal site and click on the Extend. Search the miniOrange second factor authentication here. Enable the checkbox and click on Install button. Now go to the Configuration tab and select miniOrange second factor authentication. Register and log in here to activate the module. Click on the Setup Two-Factor tab for configuring the methods. Let's configure the YubiKey Hardware Token method as second factor authentication. Select the YubiKey Hardware Token method and click on the Configure button. Insert the YubiKey in the USB port. Touch the button to enter the hardware token one-time passcode. You have successfully configured YubiKey Hardware Token method. Let's see how it works. Open a new browser or private window, and go to your Drupal site. Log in with your Drupal credentials. Touch the button to enter the hardware token one-time passcode. You have successfully logged into the Drupal site, using YubiKey Hardware Token method. You can configure the backup 2FA method, KBA, from 2FA Configuration tab under User Profile. Congratulations! You have successfully configured YubiKey Hardware Token method. miniOrange provides best two-factor authentication solution. Thanks for watching.